Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you guys how to build a decorative modular fence system using Design-vu panels and Outdeco post and frame system for an intimate retreat. This system can also adjust to use Modinex panels and wood poly composite slats to fit your design preference. The first thing you want to do is assemble the frames. Identify your A channels, which are 24 inches long, and your B channels, which are 48 inches long, and connect them with the poly corners. You'll be left with the top channel and 2 corners. Don't attach those yet. That'll come into play later. Next, we need to prepare our panels. Because we're doing a horizontal orientation, we need to find the bottom, mark 12 inches up, and then 12 inches over, and repeat that on the other side as well. Using the included drill bit, drill all holes a 1/4 inch in from the edge. Then you're going to take your panel locking pins and press them in halfway so they're spaced even on both sides. For this project, we're using Outdeco 75-inch galvanized powder-coated and welded bottom steel posts that are super durable. The first step is to place the first post. 3 sides have holes in it. You want the front side to be nice and clean with no holes. Don't forget to add the post caps and choose the correct hardware. We're going to use the deck screws that came in the kit. It also has a washer. Using the attached frames to position the next post, use the cardboard spacers that came in the kit and attach the semi-assembled frames loosely with the channel screws. Then take your panels with the locking pins and slide the last A channel over the pins and then attach your remaining corners. Now we'll take the panels with the pins and the top channel attached and slide it into the remaining channels. Use a rubber mount to attach the frame. Now that we have our first panel in, we need to repeat the steps and build upwards and then over. These Design-vu panels come in a variety of patterns and sizes and are made out of 100% recycled plastic, making them extremely durable and low maintenance. After getting in all 3 frames, use the drill bit provided to drill a hole through the back side channel from the bottom about 1.25 inches up. Then use the provided screws for locking in the bottom corner firmly. Now that we have this first panel up, we're pretty much going to do the same thing 2 times over so we get this full wash of it. So this is just slightly off level, so we're going to use the adjustable slots on the side here to drop this down a little bit and make this level. This is a super important step. Let's go down a little bit more. That's perfect. One of my favorite things about the system is how customizable it is. Whether you're just looking for a focal point or an inspired entrance or privacy with style, you can mix and match with Modinex panels or Outdeco's horizontal slat fence boards, which are made out of a wood poly composite and have a beautiful wood-like appearance. And of course, you can create 90-degree angles with your fence if you need to, which is pretty cool. Didn't these turn out beautifully? We used Design-vu panels with Outdeco's post and frame system to create this privacy wall. It's beautiful from the front and the back. And don't forget that you can mix and match with this system using Modinex panels if you would like. They also have wood poly slats that you can also include. With all these systems together, you can achieve a better look for a better space.